Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I want to show to you a software that will help you to auto scan and download multiple TikTok video. And I will use the MKT Viral to scanning and downloading. Okay, and I will click on the scanning functions and load in here. And you can scan multiple platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. And I will click on the TikTok platform and click on the keyword and I enter the keyword in here. And how many video you want, you enter the number in here and click on start scanning. So the software will automatic scanning the video from the TikTok platform for you with the keyword dancing. You see that? The speed is very fast. You can download with a book or number. It's all done now. And after that, you can auto download all of that video that you have scanning in here. I will select all and I will click on the save in the file and I will create a new file for you for checking. And I will name it TikTok folder in here. And I will click on the start download. Okay, it's done. So I will open the folder for you for checking. You see? Here's all the video from this software. So if you want to try this software for download and scanning multiple number, you can please direct me with the information below. Thanks for watching.